Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day we are going to Turkey. I'm really excited. We woke up at like 7 o'clock. My parents woke up earlier and now we are on the way to the airport. Currently it's like 9 AM at the morning and I'm really excited. See you guys at the airport. So we are right at the airport and I'm really excited. Now we are going inside. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. So we just walked past the security. Now we are going to go to the duty free soon. Say hi.
Hi.
Hi vlog.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. $4.99 for a meal. You can get a main drink and snack. We got some sandwiches like vegetarians here. I think I'm going to get a salad. Ooh, for a drink, I'm not sure what to get. I think I'm going to get a coffee. A Starbucks coffee. This one is the coffee latte, skinny latte, caramel macchiato. This one is really good. And coffee latte. Which one should I get? Oh, they got like protein drinks as well. Oh, not sure. I think I'm going to get the caramel macchiato. I think I'm going to get a popcorn for a snack. They got caramel popcorn. What else have they got? Sea salt, sweet and salty. It's included in a meal deal, that's good. I think I'm going to get the salted caramel popcorn. They don't have any like salads or like pastas, but I think these look good. Like egg and crust bread, or they got like falafel and hummus tortilla wrap. That looks really good. So I think I'm going to get that one. Ooh, my hands are full. And yeah, I think I'm going to get this one. It's also vegan, so that's really good. We walked past the duty-free vegan junk food at W.H. Smith. I'm going to show you guys what I got. Dad got some Starbucks coffee latte. I love like chilled coffees. I got the caramel macchiato. We also got like 3 waters for the plain. My mom, she got Pepsi Max. My parents, they got the like what is it, like bacon or meat like sandwiches. They got the same ones. I got the falafel and hummus tortilla wrap. It's actually vegan. You got this for Dad. Dad's got the Walker's cheese and onion crisps. My mom got the Walker's max salt and malt vinegar. And I got the salted caramel popcorn. Wow, it's beautiful.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
Oh my god, we are up so high. I'm even scared to go to the edge. Wow. I'm going to show you guys the room quickly, a quick room tour. So this is the room when we walk in. Here's a mirror. Hi. I'm going to put the card in here. I don't know what that does. Did I do it right? I think so. So here's a mirror. I'm going to show you guys outfit of the days and stuff like that. On the left we got, oh my god, look at the bathroom. I'm going to take so many pictures and videos here. Look at the bathtub. Oh my god. We got a massive mirror, beautiful toilet, shower, a wardrobe. And we got another mirror, kitchen area. Look how massive this bed is. And there's another bed, a sofa, a TV. We already put some stuff over here. And we also got a balcony. We haven't checked that one out yet. Let's open up the curtains and see. I'm going to show you guys that tomorrow morning, okay? So we just arrived at the hotel and we went down to have dinner, and now we are going to get ready to go to bed because we are really tired. We had like 4.5 hour flight, and so far I love Antalya so much. The weather though, it was raining a little bit, but that's fine. But it's also really hot as well, and the room is beautiful and the food was delicious. And I'm going to end the video up here, and I'm going to see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye! Here is our balcony at night. Look how beautiful. We have the sea somewhere. Oh, we are so high up. I think it's somewhere over there.